Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by joining the meeting and granting permissions. This unlocks device controls. Once you're in, locate the three-dot menu at bottom right and open Settings. In Settings, you can pick camera, microphone, and speaker devices, choose the correct hardware or virtual device. Make sure to test audio and video here so you avoid surprises. If you're switching accounts, close and reopen the meeting after switching. That ensures Meet recognizes the new profile and device permissions. Once inside Settings, change camera or microphone by selecting the device name from the drop-down. This tells Meet exactly which hardware to use. Then use the three-dot menu to change the layout, tiled, sidebar, or spotlight, depending on how many participants you need visible. If you must present, click Present Now and choose your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. Pick the tab for video with audio. Make sure to confirm audio sharing for media so others hear system sound correctly. To finish, verify settings by speaking and checking the preview, and adjust levels if needed. If your new device doesn't work, reloading the Meet tab or leaving and rejoining forces the app to requery devices. Make sure no other apps are locking the camera or mic, close video apps or browser tabs that might conflict. If problems persist, check browser permissions for camera and microphone. Granting permission and then refreshing usually resolves stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.